This is a short video on how to log into Airbnb if you're a host. Firstly, you will need to type in Airbnb login UK in a search engine like Chrome, and you should land on this page. Once you reach this page, you're going to see that there are 5 different ways to log in. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to log in using the email option. However, you can also link your Facebook, Google, or Apple account and log into Airbnb using your login details from your chosen platform. Alternatively, you can also use your mobile phone number. If you log in using this method, you will receive a 6-digit code by text message from Airbnb, which will need to be typed in to confirm it's you trying to access the account. Once you've logged in, you will see the following page. You'll need to navigate to the top right of the screen. On the left-hand side of the 3 horizontal lines, you will see a button that says Switch to Hosting. Now you're on the hosting page. You'll see a summary of any guests currently staying on your property, guests who are soon going to be arriving to your property, as well as guests who are about to check out of your property, and guests who've got any upcoming bookings. The Inbox tab allows you to view and reply to any messages you may have received from guests. You can also view any messages received from Airbnb support. You can also create quick replies to frequently asked questions from guests regarding questions that usually come up, such as Wi-Fi passwords. You can also create scheduled messages. This will save you time as you can have automatic messages to bookings. For example, when a booking is confirmed, on the day of the guest check-in, and the day of the guest check-out. On the calendar tab, you can view your monthly booking schedule and the price for specific dates, as well as add any promotions and change the minimum and maximum nights guests can stay for a certain month or period. These settings will replace your default availability and discounts during the date range you've selected. The Insights tab gives hosts an overview of guest trends and what they're looking for, such as most popular amenities, and also number of searches for properties in your area, and many more other useful insights. Lastly, you have the Menu tab. This is where you can handle your listings, reservations, create a new listing, look at the guidebooks, looking at transaction history, explore hosting resources, and visit the community forum. And that's a short video on how to log into Airbnb as a host.